Yeah, Damien. We're in the
I
same
like
game.
join this match. It's 1-3. What? How the hell I join? This. It's in our spawn. Yes. We're here to stop y'all. We just spawned.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Move in and detonate the target. You've secured the device.
Yes.
Got him.
Alright, fuck. 4 and 3, 3 left.
I'm at A planting.
It blinded. Oh shit, one is on T-Kind. Ooh.
Oh, no way.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, just watch the bomb.
Come on, man, we ain't got no choice. We join at 1-3.
Shit.
You talking macaroni cheese, bro.
He got the one.
Yo, you talk all that macaroni cheese.
Behind you, Lou.
Wait. How the fuck I kill my... Why my teammate is AFK, bro?
How? Am I the only one alive now? What happened, baby? Yeah.
Huh? Playing the game. Who's that?
And oh hell no, I don't like that chewy.
Shut up.
Chewy.
Chewies.
Yo, you won his last fight, right?
Hold on, baby. Give me a sec.
I don't know if Chewy won that shit or what. Fuck you, man.
Oh my
Get
god.
the fuck out.
Ah, you thought.
Oh shit!
That's
Oh my god, again, a teammate.
2v2.
Oh my god, my screen is different, so I cannot even see you.
You got it?
Alright, I'm defending B. You better defend it, A.
Playing Fortnite, you're hitting. Really, Levi? You're on his fucking profile. We're trying to play a game. I told you to go to your fucking room.
Yeah.
Off the tablet.
Hey, go to your room, boy.
Somebody angry?
Sorry, that guys.
Okay.
Let me fix red.
Let me see you shut your big mouth.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Left. Hey.
You can do this. Let's win this round somehow.
10 seconds remaining.
Beautiful.
Oh shit.
Good shit.
I was
Mooney, come here.
looking for you.
Playing or not? Press A to play.
Come here, cut your ass. It's gonna come.
Search and destroy.
Yeah, but it's gonna be a surprise
Shot
cup.
on the target and level it. You've got the bomb.
Oh, he
Where? Behind us. Oh shit, he came behind us.
I couldn't find where to adjust the forward.
Mosquito online.
In your mouth.
Who's sleeping the B-bomb and got smacked?
Oh, you know where the rock is?
That's messed up. These are comeback. Ugh. Hey, there's 3, only 3. Just push them, man. They ain't got shit to
Yeah,
push.
for real.
You've secured
Get
the
in there. There.
Damn, I can't walk out there for 5 seconds before I figured it
Oh,
I
come
kill.
on.
Oh my god, that's
Wow.
beautiful, bro. That is so beautiful.
That was bad.
Look at it. Jumpy jack, baby.
All of them.
Oh man, they roll up for me.
What you looking at, boy? Got a fat head.
Alright, come on now, guys. This is the last one.
Last round.
I didn't hear a word you said, Jamie. I have a
Sir.
headset on. Oh, he came up behind me. He's on A.
Oh, almost killed you.
Hey! What's my drink, fatty? What's
One
on?
left.
Put it in your mouth and suck on it.
Oh shit, they shoot my own teammate.
Off. Where the fuck is it? Oh, there
Defuse it. Fuck him. They all dead. They
It's
all
not letting
dead.
me. Oh, there it goes.
What?
Oh my
Oh, you
god.
met me, dog. Cannot. I was like, what?
I'm like, where the fuck is it?
Oh, I got. Hey, you guys got the support, right? I told you we gonna win.
Good shit, guys.
Good shit. Bye, guys. Loser. Damn.
Khorasan. Sounds Japanese.
I know.
Oh, he's in the corner outside the elevator again.
One's
Yeah.
back by police car. A side.
I think he's playing B. Oh no.
Fuck, he's up here by stairs.
Yeah. He went back down. Three up. Up top.
Well, then I guess we'll have to spread out better.
Motherfucker. One left.
He's in electronics.
He left.
Yeah, I don't know where he went, but he was in electronics. They're on A somewhere.
He was right in the fucking corner. He's on A, probably pushing this L stairs.
Or elevator. He likes the corner by the elevator too.
That Noir dude.
Yeah.
Damn.
That didn't make you look sus at all, Blue.
Just pack.
Look at that!
He was marked.
Mars perspective, he was marked, but I don't see shit.
Aw, you fucking kidding me.
I didn't realize that. That tracker.
Oh, electronics. Is it electronics? Behind you, cheese.
Yeah, how do you get the tracker thing anyway?
It's
an
a
EMP.
tracker grenade.
EMD mine or EMD grenade.
How many's left?
Two. 4v2. One just... Oh, yeah, buddy got him. One left.
Went down escalators.
Can't believe you shot my fucking.
Fuck's sake.
He killed his own fucking team.
Grown up.
Ping him again.
Log on him. It's in baggage. Coming out of the tunnels. Got him. I'd ping. Chasing him around. Fucking drone. Shit, restaurant.
He was shooting my freaking.
Our spawn stairs to A.
How many's left?
2.
3v2.
Go through the electronics, maybe?
One left. Oh.
I got him with the fucking. Look at the fucking drone. What a bitch. I didn't get to throw my care package out though. That's oh well. Yeah, built me a little cabin. Bonfire, little garden. Damn, I thought we were really gonna go with T-Rail.
Calling derail.
No, I said I thought we were gonna go with D-Rail.
Yeah, who's party leader?
Copy.
Coffee didn't want D-Rail.
Wow.
Oh.
It's all good.
There. I wanna go.
Hey, are you gonna get
Quick like that.
Alright, y'all. Let's get it. My favorite sniper area. Stop. What you mean stoppy stop?
What the fuck?
I'm talking to my son.
Do not let your guard down.
Oh, okay.
Oh fuck.
Camping A side on their tank out by the gas station. Death killed a unicorn. What? How dare you?
In that general direction of ping. I think they went around the corner.
Anybody get the one on A side?
Yeah.
1 minute remaining.
2 left. Yeah, okay. 1 left. Violation's fucking with you.
30 seconds remain.
That's violation shit.
Ooh,
No, you got that killed. AFK? Really? Hell
Oh,
no,
yeah.
you ain't AFK.
Fuck, he just came through the...
Where'd they come from? My god.
I don't
Went
know.
through the B tunnel.
Yeah, I couldn't get those fucking words out of my mouth.
You've won that round.
God damn it.
I couldn't
don't know who the last
either.
guy
I was trying to figure out where it is.
Holy shit, that was hilarious.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Set up a perimeter around the objective. Do not let them reach it.
One sniping that B side.
He just came from middle, going to B.
Going to B or from B?
To B. He's hiding behind a door.
Final minute.
Is that A? One of them is 3v3. One's at A.
Enemy movement. Enemy planted at Alpha.
Outside A by the road, 2 of them.
One left. Yeah.
Yeah, should I get behind him?
Yep, no, I know. I was just letting you know you were good to keep going. There wasn't no more left.
Switching sides. Hardcore. Search and destroy. Place the charges on the target and destroy it. You secure the device. Hostile UAV in the
Sniping
area.
from middle.
He's in our B building.
Got him, I think. Target, yeah. Electronic.
One minute remaining. Seconds left.
Okay, he's on B behind a stack of fucking plywood.
I did the.
We're planting at Alpha.
How many's left?
Device in place.
2v2.
Started.
One of them most likely come from B alley.
Only you remain.
And got me.
Finish the mission.
Over the goddamn place.
Dad, no, he was nowhere near them callouts.
Everything was all over the
Oh,
place.
they moved.
I mean, a lot, bro.
Yeah, he moved around.
I just panicked.
Hardcore.
Well, don't panic, motherfucker.
Use the charges. Blast the target. No mistakes. You've got the bomb.
Fuck's sakes. Middle fuck.
Yeah, do that. Do that again, unicorn.
That guy in the middle is still out there somewhere.
He's laying down in that doorway looking up there.
Enemy movement.
Watch out for electronics shop. Someone likes to go in there.
Device on Alpha. Stand by. All planted. Set containment. Movement in the AO.
Yeah, mid.
It's down to you.
One's come from the road.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Oh shit.
Our device will be
Oh, I got you in the game. Nice.
focus on the next one.
Damn.
Yeah, Yeet's coming to save us.
Yeet. I mean, it's been a while, so.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Secure our objectives.
Yo, bro, what the hell?
Fuck. A side road. Far back in their spawn. A truck. Way back there, blue, like
Yes.
more to the right. B5.
Final minute.
Oh, this is great.
You saw one run to your right, Coffee.
None of them died.
Below you.
What? You get to eat one.
Enemy bomb at Alpha.
God done it. God done did it.
Goddamn did it.
I goddamn done did it already.
Where was he? I was trying to get him to come out a little bit. There he is.
Oh, kneecap
Pistol is accurate.
head slapper.
Good shit, Bob.
Hardcore. Search and destroy.
You took it.
Let them reach it.
That's you were just running in one spot for a second there.
Yeah, our
Yeah,
ping
like a
went
little
up
bit.
to like
Hell no, I ain't
400.
gonna stay there and
One shooting down middle.
Enemy UAV active.
oh shit.
They side.
Moving. Cancel my last. Faster sniper. Moving to my mark. Scratch that. Enemy planted at Alpha.
Man, they can see me on the map. We're
Oh
fucking
my god.
crazy.
There's like 4 of them pushing middle.
Yes, sir.
I got
one.
Push
There
right
you
up
go.
to their spawn. Especially this guy. It's just
You ain't gonna have that again.
good shit. Good shit.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Place the charges on the target and destroy it. Hostile UAV in the area.
Hostile UAV again. Shoot that bitch. Yeah, there you go. Unicorn dead.
Fuck.
What the fuck? Chill.
B side.
Got his ass. Honest with you.
Oh, goddamn. 3v1.
I'm gonna play a B.
1 minute remaining.
Man, one of those guys had a fucking laser.
We're planting at Bravo.
Oh, it's almost playing. He ran back to his spawn.
Oh,
Good
my
try.
bad. I ain't trying to do.
Yeah, I need food. I need sustenance.
No, you
Oh, what's that,
don't.
a moti?
Come on, yo. This is easy beasy, sleazy.
Good shit,
weasy.
Blue.
Use the charges. Blast the target. No mistakes.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You secure the device.
Try in the middle on the tank area.
Oh, yeah, he's on the wall.
I'm not challenging that. That's dumb of Me to do.
Shit, still alive,
Sean
bro.
Millie.
2v2.
V6.
UAV active. Hostile care package.
Oh, right side.
Shoot that your fucking UAV.
Electronics, laying down.
Oh,
Fucking dead body.
He's up on the roof.
Finally.
Rack up too.
rat.
Alright.
I like that. Back of that red scope. Beautiful.
Nice up.
Get yeeted.
I like it.
Yeah.
I wish I got the orange one, but I like the red one.
Core. Search and destroy. Secure our objective.
Man, I didn't give a
Do not
fuck
let
when
your
you
guard
get
down.
the Try to kill somebody.
Hostile
Take
cluster
that
mine
down.
detected.
Oh, they got a package. They're dropping a package right now.
They got Juggernaut.
I got a dog.
Got number fucked up. Hey, right here! Come on! Oh, you got the fucking
Oh, fuck, he's
Juggernaut?
pushing B.
Yo, you got the Juggernaut or something, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
He does. With a jug.
Parents had to be.
Just don't want to go to A.
Oh my god, I used to shoot him
Jug is
a
on B.
lot of damn times. Oh fuck.
They planted at Bravo.
Oh, you did. 2 left.
1v2.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah.
I can see the
How'd
flash
you die in the
on
jug
the
suit?
right side.
What do you mean? I was taking damage on purpose.
Oh,
Holy shit.
Pushing.
that mic stamp. I forgot they done nerfed it.
20's nice, man. Fuck. You son of a...
What's my KD? It was like a 6.
You like that?
Pack of 16 ounces.
Yeah, I might have to go get some beers from the brewery down the road.
Bro, it's fucking, I'm watching football. I'm watching 2 teams I don't even like, but I just got it on. Fuck it. Tennessee's beating the Jets 7-0 right now. Second quarter,
the
7
Jets.
minutes left.
Can't stand the Jets.
I need the Jets to win, actually.
Dude, Aaron
you playing
Rodgers
fantasy?
has been playing like dog
I
shit,
am.
bro. Aaron Rodgers been playing like shit.
I mean, he's old, man. Motherfucker gotta respect somebody.
One on the alley.
Ooh, beside you, blue. Oh, good shit.
Oh, yeah.
Get the fuck in here.
Twenty seconds.
Who's all up?
You. 1v1. Sit.
Nine.
Could he not defuse it? He had a hell of a time. That's crazy. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
Oh, one's laying in the doorway of the blue building,
bar.
watching tunnel.
Barbershop.
Downstairs from apartments.
Oh, what the fuck?
1v4.
Dude, you scared the shit out of me.
Nah.
Gally almost shot Pickle. Pickle almost shot Abiaz. Trifecta.
Oh, is that who that was? Abias above me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Plant the charges and demolish the objectives. You've secured the device.
Oh, you little bitch.
A window.
Got him. Sorry.
Oh no!
Yes.
I'm on A in server.
One left. One left.
I think he's in burning room.
Let him blend. Oh no, you guys gotta blend. Fuck.
Final minute. We're planting at Alpha.
Fuck you!
Well, look, bro, I don't know you, but these are my people, man. And I'm telling you, one of these rounds is a challenge to do better than you. I'm gonna sit here with 0 kills, though. I'm gonna just sit here with 0 kills for now.
One of these rounds. I like that.
You've got the bomb.
Fuck. Oh, get my girl.
One left, 3v1.
Enemy movement.
device on Alpha. Stand by.
Damn.
1 minute remaining.
Oh, shit. You better run with that stupid shot when you
Yo, are you really talking right now? It's good. Chill up.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm just too excited.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Watch the objective. Set up security.
Fuck, man.
A room already, A window.
Fucking came down A stairs. He's in bookstore. Bookstore at the garage.
I might take a break after this whole blue.
Oh shit.
2-1. I was telling you, he's on the right.
You said under the window!
He was. He just ran upstairs. I wouldn't lie.
Yes, you would.
I wouldn't lie.
You're setting me up for failure.
Search and destroy. Defend the objectives.
Already window room. Top A.
Top of the stairs, A.
That it?
Move to defuse.
Yeah, that's all of it.
Bomb disarmed. Bomb secure. On to the next.
Alright guys, we got them right where we want them. We're almost there.
They're getting comfortable. We can come back now.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Plant the charges and demolish the objectives.
They're all over A stairs, God stairs. At least 2 of them over there, or 3.
But
And our spawn. I'm far back. It's like right around you, violation.
it don't matter.
Nice.
I did not know I was the last one.
God damn, Ebiaz with the 15.
First game on, excuse the game.
Are you streaming?
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Place the charge. Detonate the target.
Watch out, Coffee, they're fast. Coffee, where was he at? mind. I got him. Coffee? Coffee, man.
Headed towards our spawn, crate side.
But ticket booth. Three v 3.
Get the fuck out of here.
Final minute.
Fucking up top. By the broken wall. Water tank. Oh no, sorry.
30 seconds remain. We're planting at Alpha. Device in place. Countdown started.
He can go upstairs.
I told you. They're just like really low IQ players. Crazy.
Damn.
You still
Good try,
in the
good
same
try.
spot. What the fuck? I don't know how those bullets. One should have touched him. Like it's impossible. Nice try though.
I know. Whiz by his ear.
All right, we can blame Brittany and move on.
Yeah.
No, blame
This is,
Skelly.
Okay, down, ladies and gentlemen. Players.
I'm gonna hop off for a bit,
Yeah,
Luke,
yeah,
but I'll
same
be
here.
on later.
Let's see. I'm gonna make something to eat.
I'll hop off.
Alright. We're gonna get some beat too. Later, guys.
Permit that's just spicy couches. I don't want.
Target and leveling.
Y'all can hear me? Can you hear me?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Alright, man.
Hardcore. Search and destroy.
Good cam was nice.
Detonate the target.
Oh my god, bro.
Coming to junkyard.
2 left. 1 left. Alright, nice.
Get ready for the next one. Switching sides. Hardcore. Search and destroy. Set up security around the objectives.
Damn, partner.
Alright, yeah, let me lock in with you. I'm paying attention on lock in.
Hey, Eagle Eye.
Hardcore. Search and destroy.
Ako sniper custom.
Keep the enemy off the objectives.
Please.
How in the hell?
Kailangan pa shootayin ng sniper.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys gonna leave.
No, he doesn't want to play. He doesn't play with toys anymore.
I'm gonna leave.
Getting bigger. He's a big kid. You want?
Hardcore. Search and destroy.
Yes, what are you doing? Go bring Mark. More chips. Go bring more chips at the open for you. Mga soda. I'm some snipe. Mga soda taka. Mong. Iku ai. This kata some snipe. Yo, you wanna play custom snipe? Yo, do you have a mic? I'm fighting more people. Hey, Niden. Niden. Mana satun snipe. Kenapa? Kenapa? Timek pena mana din. Di pagkatak lang. Nash Matru.
Oh?
Yo, what's up? Yo, you can hear me? We're gonna play sniper only. Achilles.
Hear me?
Alright, now I can hear you. But it's on and off, you know that, right?
Snipers only?
Yeah, snipers only. Every snipers. Stalker and all those.
Shipman.
Hmm?
Shipman.
Alright, shipman. Alright, there it is. Shipman it is. Hardcore. Bada boom, bada bing. What? Where is it? Go. You want soda? Yeah? Why don't drink soda? You gotta have the optics. Oh no, no optics, so you can have the regular, man. Oh, that's so. Oh my god. It's okay. Just play. Yeah, isn't? Got you. Drink.
Weapons free. Engage all forces on target.
tastes so nice. Peace. Có party người là Lee. Natawa yung bedding target in there. What? Oh shit. No scope? Shit. Mas eu não push to get started. Ui. Yo, bro.
Go.
Oh my god.
Fish.
I'm trying to reload and this guy really trying to kill me. What's up?
Damn. Good shit.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Hostile UAVs crazy good. This. Woo. I get these. Damn. Mas foi o que
Got 2 donuts.
Oi! Ih, ih. What? Jackson tu mà vào đi cô dễ. Vết. Waste ka nga food with the game kung may mandan. What the fuck? That optic is too fast.
Dude.
It's so dead. What?
My bad.
Oh my goodness. Ain't no way. Wait.
GG's.
GG's. I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna put it down to 35. On Russ. Who won? Nathan won? Damn, bro. Yo, wagon not started. I don't know, wait a second, let's start that shit. Alright. This stuff goes.
Borders.
Say what? sila ni wala pe walan. Dengan yes, damn it kan wala. Weh, sorry, nanti bang na meet. All right, I got it.
Oh, dale. Eh?
What the fuck is this? Wait! Alright, come and kill me, man. Right, there you go, you got your kills back. Daar ze doet een meisje, nee. Hey, is que da puta. Hmm. Dang it. Wala, hindi na ikataklo. Let's see. Thought nga. Two times. Where the hell are you guys? What? Temen electrical. Dime con nada así. Hey, I got that 360, brother. Riding on my yellow 360. What the fuck? That I like bullshit. birthday. We what done. We? I swear to God, he's still up there.
Hostile UAV in the area. Mission's complete. Good work.
That's it.
I'll play some Warzone.
Gear up fast, we're about to get evil. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemies are dropping into the area.
Nên gì thì vẫn chỉ không rồi. Need in, to you right.
All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment.
Hey, Achilles. Yo, mic check, mic check, mic check. Oh shit, Achilles. You're platinum 3, you're about to be diamond? Let's get it.
Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster.
Hey, what happened to you guys? Why are you gonna talk to you guys? Man, cũng ra nói nè.
What, can I disconnect?
Achilles, what about Achilles? Lock the rank while Achilles, cylinder extra nine. Got no one platinum, man.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Naman yung okay.
Enemy in the area.
Enemies deployed a buy station. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Yes, go down.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Chứ phải giờ nữa. Mấy bật ra này gì tiền nhỉ?
Oh wow. I'm fighting.
Super. Chris, why you run away from me? People, what the fuck?
You're back on station. Go get after it. There are 24 enemies active. Kill them all. Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Yes, going on.
Returning you to the front. Earn this.
Ton of people over there.
Your squad mates back on station.
What?
Get another chance. Make it count.
Requesting recon flyover.
You got gas moving in. All right, your squad's in the safe zone. UAV is bingo fuel. RTV at this time. Enemies dropping into the AO.
Wait, matawag piye nga panay way.
Squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Kia mechi patran tu ngay.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
Left the video.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Hostile target is destroyed. Stand by for redeployment. You've got reinforcements inbound. Gas is inbound. Positive ID on the bounty target. Hunt them down. All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job.
Enemies deploy the counter UAV.
Moving. Enemy mark. Resurgence has closed. No more second chances. Supply crates are restocked. Advise you load up now.
Wanan kia. Buff chicken tapan matahan lang kanyo.
Gas is closing in. Squads outside the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my god.
9 left. Keep the pressure on.
What? Yes, sir. Hold.
Oh, you baby.
Got gas moving in.
There, love you. Crazy.
Squads in the top 5. You were close.
Good shit. Good try.
Valiant effort.
No, bro. We cannot do that. Hey, yo, what's up? Hey,
Hey, put trash.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. We're headed to the war zone. Get geared up and stand by. Drop's on the way.
Cancel that.
Enemy soldier incoming. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Enemies deploy the counter UAV. Hostile Guardian.
Gas is moving. Your squad made it to the safe zone.
This week.
You got reinforcements inbound. You got a loadout drop inbound. Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
Moving here. Cancel that. Hostile counter UAV overhead.
What's up, y'all?
Gas is inbound.
See the comments. Let me see the comments.
哦 my god. Why is it
1717. What?
Planet control.
All squad members are in the safe zone. Only 25 left. Keep up the good work. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Hostile Guardian has been deployed.
Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. A couple contracts out there have increased payouts. Get to them first to cash out.
Enemy movement.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
In the faster, no more in the right. Where's that? Which one? Where's that?
You're losing ground. Move it. Get your squad to the safe zone. No one gets left behind. Fire sale's done. Prices are back to normal.
Hey, what the fuck is this? I cannot even good shoot.
You're back on station. Go get after it.
Nagpaya, may betaran.
Enemies deployed.
up for prize contracts. You'll earn more buck for your bang. You're losing ground. Move it. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Get to the safe zone.
I got one sided here. Stay strong. Got movement.
Gas is closing in.
Gas mask behind you.
Finish your mission. Take them down. it's time for some target practice. Real things coming soon. Enemies dropping into the AO. Enemy soldier incoming. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Enemies are... Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill.
Alright, you alright, Margaret?
Alright, soldier, mark a drop point for your squad and hook it out.
What you say?
Think we got their attention with that one. Move in.
He's one shot, he's one shot. There's two of them, never mind.
And you died.
We are returning you to the front. Earn this.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Friendly counter UAV is online.
Yeah, shit.
You're getting another chance. Make it count.
Hostile Guardian is active.
You got reinforcements inbound. squads in the safe zone. Enemy soldier incoming. Squad mates back on station. Good work. Loadout drop headed your way. Destroy. Use attack map to hunt down the rest of them. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Go get hunting. Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Need pistol rounds.
Top 25. Well done. Enemies are dropping into the air. Gas is moving.
There's another squad on the buy station. They're coming in right now.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
They're outside. They're in the building.
Safe zone. On you. Stay alive so your squad can redeploy. Squad mates back on station. Good work.
Enemies deploying gas station.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. High value contracts are in play. More risk, more reward. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
Hey, people dropping on the loadout.
You're being tracked by an enemy squad. Evade and survive. Gas is inbound.
Yes, walan. Battery 2. Maluo. 2.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices. Get ready. You're redeploying.
They're right there, they're coming.
Kill me. How did that kill me?
Contracts out there have increased payouts. Get to them first and cash out. You have a buy station inbound.
Hey, position.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Gas is moving. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
Hostile counter strike near your position. Good effect on target.
I cluster somebody from far away, bro. Hey, somebody's here! Fuck! There's 2! Two people on top.
The enemy lost track of you. Good work down there.
They're right there. Mm-hmm.
Gas is inbound.
There you go. One more.
Down to 10. Win this thing.
On the road, on the road. Alright, 10 people left.
Advise you head to the safe zone.
People right here.
Stay sharp.
Oh, so
nice here.
One on roof. Giovanna did. Hij vloog back. Ramulia. Ramulia. Ah, yun lang.
Amici, da pagatte. Non da pagatte.
Oh my god.
We lost that one, but we'll get those sumbitches next time.
Vamos. Tak udah sailing lagi. Cuk, na 위험 대시대 내지 봤나.
Check your gear and weapons. We'll be deploying shortly. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
That's right. Yeah. First floor.
Go get your revenge.
Who the fuck keeps shooting like? From the stronghold.
Enemy buy station incoming. You've got reinforcements inbound.
Only one, only one. Only one, only one, only one. It's right there. Same place. Yeah! Yeah! Yo, get the fuck out of here. Tell them to get the fuck out of here.
Enemy buy station deployed.
Enemies deploy the counter UAV.
Gas is closing in.
I'm getting by Lodi if you guys want it. Look at this. One Lodi.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Alright, your squad's in the safe zone. You got a loadout drop inbound.
What? What?
Hostile airstrike near your location.
What?
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Enemy precision airstrike.
Wallah. No Messi. Okay. Oh shit, that's a negative 34. Tomasz muito nem vai. That's the yeah, man. That's the